Now, when it comes to managing columns, it's important to not only be able to select a column or a range of columns using the Control and the Shift keys, but it's also important to be able to move a column. So for example, if I decided that quantity should be for unit price, I would simply drag quantity and I'd drop it in front of unit price, and I've moved that column. If I drag it back, I've moved it back to where it used to reside. So moving a column can be a simple matter of dragging it, but if you have to go some distance, then you may actually want to go to the Transform tab in your ribbon and choose the Move button. And this way you can quickly move a column to the beginning or to the end of your table, or to the left or to the right. And so that's how you move a column. As far as sorting a column, it's easy enough to just hit this drop down and choose to sort a column in ascending or descending order. And because these are interpreted as records, all the data will remain related and all the other columns will also change to reflect the type of sort that's been applied. The other way that you can sort is simply by going to the sort option that is available on the tab called Home. So on the Home tab, I can easily click either the A to Z or the Z to A button to also sort. Now the other thing you can do besides sorting is also filtering. If I hit the drop down yet again, not only can I sort, but I can also filter by unticking those things I don't want to see. But another way is simply to go into number filters and say that I want to see all the quantities between, or greater than, or less than. So you can narrow down the records that you're seeing just by hitting the drop down and choosing a filter of some sort, depending on the nature of the data.